On this week's Quick Look, we're going to do some off-roading in Sedona, Arizona. There are dirt roads throughout all of Arizona, but some of the most coolest trails and scenic vistas you might come across might just be right outside the city limits. There are actually several different ATV rental companies right there in town that can set you up if you didn't come prepared. And with just a short drive outside the city limits on any of the many dirt roads, you'll be treated with wonderful vistas to admire the beautiful Red Rock Mountains of Sedona, Arizona. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, as it is what allows us to be compensated by YouTube as creators. Your help is greatly appreciated, and comments are always welcome.